Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Don't Press the Button X. By the way, X means 10 if you don't know letters into numbers. Anyways, you might be wondering why there is no sound. I can't mute the music, so I don't want to get copyrighted again, so no sound, sad, no. Anyways, yeah, we gotta wait for the timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You know something? It's called Don't Press the Button, but the whole point of the game is to push the button. Oh, look, I pushed the button. Oh! Run. The lava is rising. No. Yes, sir, we're safe. We are safe to this world. We shall stand another day. Oh, they're definitely, those two people are definitely dead. She's dead. Rest in peace. But yay, we won! We got, how do you even get coins in this game? The button is randomly moving around. Yeah, let's go! I'm so good at this game. Okay, let's wait for time. Let's see if we can help anyone. If I can find the button again. That surely, and then I can like tell someone where it is. Oh, it's here. People, it's here. Okay. Okay, someone clicked it. Where's okay, just teleported. How do you get coins? Wait, did I just see there's background music? Wait a minute. Wait. Oh crap! What happened? Wait. Why can I? Wait a second. Is my mic? Oh no, the game's broken. Well, I'm not recording that again. Wait, you just stand on one time. Okay. Stay alive to win. Yeah, it's the objective of every game in Roblox. Oh yeah. Die to win. Oh wait, there is actually a game that you try to die. Okay, so I think I know the strategy. You go and then turn it to orange. You see, everyone tried to run on it, but you just have to jump on the place. How do you get coins? Daily reward available. Oh, of course it's going the wrong way. Dun 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 dun. What? I jumped! No, the game. Okay, how do you get coins? How's the other way to get coins? Oh yes, 13 minutes and the video is about 4 minutes. Makes complete sense. Total wins 7, total deaths 17, okay? Oh crap. How did I die? Nobody survived, cause your game is rigged. I'm just gonna walk around and not gonna touch anything. I'm gonna punch this girl right here. I'm gonna punch a girl. YouTube, please don't. No, YouTube. No, YouTube, don't. YouTube, don't! Oh, my mic just broke for a sec. Oopsies. so quiet without music. Like, I know you guys have music because I'm probably going to edit in music, but it just doesn't sound right for me. Oh, I think it's because there are, like, no sound effects, so it's just my voice right now. Oh, no. Time remaining. 5, 4. Oh, no. One of us is going to lose. Oh. Okay, none of us lost. Totally. None of push the button. Did I push the button? Blocks will start to fade away. Oh, I did push the button. Okay. This is easy. You just have to... Okay, I'm glad I didn't stay on that one. I'm just gonna jump to this one. Oh my god, I am literally telling the future right now. Okay, 2 people are left. Oh, I won. Yay. Did I swear? Is it either the lobby full of noobs or am I just the best at this game? Random pieces of the grill hit up. Touch them and you lose. Okay. Oh, it's slow. Okay. And then it's gonna be this side, right? Oh, nope, it's the same side. How are they not dead? Lag? What the? Okay, they just disappeared. Okay, this is getting slow now. Okay, this way. Okay, everyone's slowly just disappearing. Oh, he won. Okay. How the heck do you get coins in this game? Someone comment down below, how do you think you get coins? Get ready to survive this spinning block of lava. Survive to the end to win. Oh, we can't touch the red too. And we can't fall because it looks like green poop is down there. Don't touch the diarrhea. It's very smelly. And then... Oh, I should be dead right now. Oh, God. Yay, we won! Yeah. Make it to the top without falling. Done. So do you just have to wait every like 3 hours to get coins? Is that the only way to get coins? Okay, I'm gonna go to the shop. Okay, it's just Game Pass shop. Gears. Game Pass. Okay. I was in the green. Okay. No, please. Please don't do that. Oh, she got abducted. And she got abducted. Oh, and I won again. This game is too easy. See, total wins 13. I'm gonna try and get more wins than that. I think I'm gonna die on this one a lot. Yay, I won! First one, yeah! Okay, hold down on a block to... Okay, this one, I tried it and it was very easy. all I need to do is, I did this one before. All you need to do is you need to find the diamond block. So you have to go down to the last level, and you just need to mine around, and you have to be lucky. You have to find the one diamond block. Now there's only one diamond block, and when you touch it, it doesn't despawn. So if someone finds it, you just need to find their path, and then you'll find the diamond block. It's really easy. Wait, has none of us found it yet? I believe it's right here. Okay, diamond's right here. No. Diamond's right here. Oh wait, nope, that's dirt. Diamond's right here. No, right here. No. Okay, at this point, this is not even funny. Okay, let's go this way. Let's go. Maybe we should mine a little bit out here. The heck is this diamond block? Wait. Oh, none of us won. Together find a path to win. Oh, this is gonna give you a lot of deaths. Oh, these lucky little. Okay, so it's this way. What? Wait a minute. How? That lady went there and didn't. Okay, not there. That means it's here. Here? Oh man, it's straight. Okay, go here, go here, go here, go here, go here, go here again, go here again, go here again, go here again. Okay, there was a lot of straights. Boom, bam, pow, a bada boop bop, damn, boy, sheesh. None of us want to go for it. Oh! Okay, it's a three-way, or it could be going that way. Oh! Let's go! I got it correct. That should clip. Someone clipped that in there. Whoa, that was close. Why can't I move? Okay. Today is really my lucky day. I am so skillful. Yeah. I want to. This game is just so easy. Let's see. Let's check my things. 21 deaths, total wins 16. I am not ending this video until I get 21 wins. Watch out, the bomb is gonna explode. Everybody gets a lightsaber. Battle your opponents. I don't want to die, so I'm just gonna hide over here. I am not gonna touch anyone. I don't want to die. Yes. Everyone battle. Everyone's gonna kill each other. That was a weird scream. I did not want to die. I want to win. No! I died! No! There should be kill things here. How do you get coins? I'm still wondering. Oh yeah, we get to play in 3 gravity while we wait of a cruel failure. No, it's at 22 deaths. I lost my 21. Total clicks. I'm winning this. Yeah! 147 clicks and I'm on mobile. Okay. Easy! Easy! Haha, everyone's up there. Okay, let's see how much we have on. 19! Okay, we only need 3 more wins and then this video is over. I can finally end it. Burp. Okay. Someone pushed the button. Oh, no! 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 I am not dying. I'm just gonna wait here. I'm just gonna sit here. I'm gonna let go of my pad until I'm the last freaking person here. Never mind. Okay, it's just me and this guy. We're not gonna win this. We are so done. No, I'm just probably gonna wait it. Risk. No, man, darn it. Now the video is gonna get extended. Every time of death, the video gets extended. Oh God, no please, no please, no please, no, 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 no. Okay, let's all take each other's hands and feet. Yes, go over there, go over there. We don't need to fight, we don't need to fight, we don't, okay? Yes, now it's only 3 of us. Let's just all win, okay, guys? We don't need to fight. Okay, we don't need to fight. Okay, we don't need to fight. Yep, we won. We won. Yay! See, we all win. We all win. There's no point of fighting if we all win. Oh, musical chairs, no. No, now that I'm gonna be, now that I am a YouTuber, so many people are gonna be friend requesting me. Oh, it's gonna spawn somewhere else. Oh, it spawns in the same spot. So if we just sit down, and we just stand. Isn't there supposed to be music? Crap, I don't want to die. I don't know. No, please, no. Okay, 1 chair left. 1 chair left. 1 chair left. No! Please, no! Don't kill me. No, no. Ah! Quickly put out all the fires. Time remaining. Okay. Yes, we put out all the fires. Wait, are there fires inside? Watch out from above. Oh no. You know what? How about we just don't get this? Oh crap, I'm not looking. 6 more? Bruh. I'm just gonna cut the video. Again, bruh. All these losers don't know how to play this game. Okay, let's see. Dodge all the... Okay, this one's the easiest one, but it takes a lot of time. Done. Like that. Okay, let's see. We need 5 more wins. And then we've done it. We completed the challenge. Okay, welcome to the Oh, I hate this one. It's Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gems are falling on the side. Collect the most to win. Oh, no. 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 This is evil. This is mother freaking evil. Oh. My God. Gems are everywhere. Gems are everywhere in my sight. I see only. And the winner is... What? I have 16 gems. This game is rigged. Oh no, this one is like the most death one, other than the Octo games. No, I didn't click jump. No, what? We're just gonna... Oops. That doesn't count. I'm just gonna get 26 wins and then I'm gonna call it a day. That will be the challenge. Getting 26 wins. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, that's it for today's video. Yeah, because it's 20 minutes long, and that's as much as I need, okay? So, yeah. Anyways, also may I mention that literally, like, 99% of my viewers are subscribed? Yes, so subscribe! What are you waiting for? Click that gosh darn